morning from the chaotic streets of Jodhpur. We just arrived last night, or this morning actually. We reached here at like 6 in the morning. We went straight to our hotel that we had booked the previous night, and yeah, we just left. We just woke up now. It's the afternoon. We're heading out to find some food. So the hotel guy said that there's a place which makes the best omelettes in Jodhpur, so I think we're gonna check that out. But yeah, this is a little tour of the blue city with the blue buildings. A lot of the buildings here are blue because Jodhpur is the blue city. So now we're gonna go and find the omelet place near the clock tower. Look at this alleyway. So let's go find it. Walking down the street in Jodhpur, and we see a random elephant. Elephant with graffiti on its body, painted on. You're dead? Let's get a new battery. You got like 10 of them. Look at this. Twins. Except this one's more beefed up. Alright, there's an ox. And there's an elephant. Just chilling by the lake in Jodhpur. The things you see. I mean, to be fair, we also saw some elephants on the road in Jaipur, so nothing new for Rajasthan. I thought camels were the thing here, but apparently it's also elephants. We got all kinds of animals. I think this was from a temple. Some things of worship have been thrown on the floor. So yeah, you don't normally see that, but apparently that's the case here. Here I have some cows having lunch. Got rice. Got so many options to eat. But you know what cows on the street means? When a cow down on the road, you gotta watch out where you step. Gotta be careful unless you wanna step in poop and try to get poop off your shoes for the next couple hours. It's not an easy thing to do. I've had to do it before, trust me. So I think we're by the clock tower now, and there's plenty of places to eat here, but we want to find the omelet place. So there's the clock tower right there. Here's the entrance to the clock tower. I guess this is kind of like a market around the clock tower, and even on the inside you have a lot of shops for all kinds of things. I mean, clothes, food, lassi. Look at that. I guess this is the road, people coming in and out. Look at the tuk-tuks. There's Jodhpur tuk-tuks. Famous lassi shop. There's a famous lassi shop. Should we try lassis? There's a clock tower, the Jodhpur clock tower. And we have some food stalls over here. I think the omelet place should be around here somewhere. Maybe you need to ask around. Find out where the omelet place is. The best omelets in Jodhpur. All right. Lassis are pretty cheap here. 20 rupees, it says over here. I need some food in me before I can start talking and have some energy. And it's getting hot. It was so cold at night when we arrived here. But now it's really hot. So a lot of big temperature difference between day and night because of the desert. Look at these bangles here. I guess we need to ask somebody where the omelet place is. Hello. They don't put a famous omelet place here. The omelet shop. No? No. They don't know. You gotta ask one of these.
Shop. Did you look it up?
It doesn't show on Google. Let's ask these ladies, beautiful policeman ladies. Excuse me, is there an omelet shop here? Famous omelet shop, Jodhpur's best omelets?
I don't know English.
No English? Okay.
They sit right here locally, right close.
Over there? Okay, thank you.
See, that's how you know when they don't know English and they respond to you after you ask.
Even though you ask them the question in English, they respond to it. And yeah. Well, more cows on the street, which is pretty normal. This one's marked. Oh, she sent us to the tourist assistance booth. I guess she didn't speak English, huh? Sent us to the assistant booth. But we need to find omelets, so. Look at that, over there is the Mehrangarh Fort of Jaipur in the distance, over the hill, right there, you can see it. We'll definitely be going to explore that later, maybe later today, maybe tomorrow. We got a couple days here, so we'll see. Yeah, so that's the famous clock tower and the Mehrangarh Fort.
We gotta go back.
Go back?
Through the gate and right on the right hand side.
Okay.
Look at that fort.
Yeah.
Which one called?
This is the Mehrangarh Fort.
Mehrangarh Fort.
It's one of the biggest forts in Jodhpur.
Everybody's friends around here.
People going about their day. These ladies selling colorful saris and other clothing items. I don't imagine you have to bargain very hard in these markets. If you want to buy something from here, it's probably going to be super cheap. There's a famous lassi shop recommended by whatever. So maybe after the omelets, we can come by for a lassi. Local market this way. You stay outside? Yeah. Okay. Well, that's where we came from. We didn't see one, but let's go check it out. Maybe we missed it. The hunt for the omelet shop. Oh, there it is. We walk right past it. The omelet shop. There you go. Let's try some of the menu is in Chinese. How are we supposed to read that? I think that's something else. The omelet shop. There you go. Lonely Planet. So I guess we gotta wait for our spot. There's only one place to sit down. What kind of omelets do you have?
I have many different kinds of omelets, sir.
Do you have a menu? Oh, they have a menu. All right, highly recommended by Lonely Planet.
But this omelet is very good.
Yeah, we heard about your shop. It says the best omelet in Jodhpur.
Which country you come from?
We are from India. Yes.
India?
Yes.
Which part?
Delhi.
Yes,
Got plenty of options. So the shop is just this little part right here. The other one is a recharge shop for the phones. But the omelet shop is like. And here's another menu for the omelet. Different kinds. I think I'm gonna try the masala cheese butter omelet. That sounds good to me for now. But this is how the best omelet in Jodhpur is made. How long have you had your shop, sir?
This shop started since 1974.
1974. Wow, that's older than me.
My father is senior.
Okay.
He's an omelette man. He's just coming in.
He started the shop?
Yeah,
this is your father?
Yes, my father.
Okay. So that's the man behind the famous omelet shop. And now his son has taken over and making the best omelets. So who makes the best omelet, you or your father?
My father makes better than
Your
me.
father makes better? Okay.
Long time cooking.
So here's the man behind the omelet shop. Hello, sir. He's just coming to work. But I'm sure he does a great job as well, so we don't care who makes the omelets. There's the masala. And here we have the man himself making our omelets. So we got lucky, I guess.
We got to take over.
Yeah, he just came and took over. The master chef at work. Recommended by Lonely Planet, TripAdvisor. They're spreading the cheese. Or is that mayo? There goes the masala. There's the bread. Is that ours or somebody else's? We'll find out. Yeah. It's not ours. We gotta wait. We'll have the master chef make the entire omelet. That's meant for us. The best omelets made by the best man.
And after Jodhpur, the next city where are you going?
We don't know. We haven't decided. We just
You
came.
need somebody
Today's
where
our
taxi
first day.
for. I have a taxi for one way. Like
I think we're gonna
Udaipur,
take
you go-
scooters. Scooters
Scooters.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
to around Jodhpur.
Around
See
Jodhpur.
Jodhpur, yes.
I give the rent scooter also.
You also rent scooters? Do you have two?
I have one motorbike, one scooters.
Okay.
We need scooters.
We want scooters. How much do you rent them out for?
350
$350 for one day?
one day.
Okay. It's the same price, but do you want
Scooter,
to?
one motorbike.
Okay. Can you arrange just two scooters? Any chance? No? Well, I guess we had a lot of people before us. All right, so after waiting for, how long was it? 15 minutes? We got our omelets. And you already took a bite. What do you think?
It's good.
It's good?
Really good.
All right, so I'm gonna try it.
Probably the best of Jodhpur.
It's very hot for me. I'm gonna let it cool down for a second, but I'm sure it's good. Let me just break off a piece of the omelet. Oh yeah. And the cheese makes it so much better. There's our Pepsi. Even though we asked for Coca-Cola. Yeah, the omelet's pretty good. There's a reason why they're the best omelet shop in Jodhpur.
So which one?
So definitely gets a thumbs up from me.
Same, yeah, with potato.
More elephants on the street. Right by the omelet shop. We just finished up our omelets, and definitely was worth coming here and getting one. They give us two different flavors. I prefer the first one, which was the cheese and butter omelet. So yeah, best omelets in Jodhpur. So 2 omelettes and 2 Pepsis cost us 160, which is pretty reasonable, I would say. And the Best Omelette Shop. If you want to visit the Best Omelette Shop, you just come by the clock tower towards the entrance, and it's right to the left of the clock tower. So that's where you find the Best Omelette Shop. It's a small little shack, so you might have to look. You might miss it on the first go. So we just walked right past it the first time, and then we came back. So
Okay.
all right, guys, see you. So what do you want to do next?
So maybe